I really think this wig is going to shut down all the other wig companies because she is that girl, okay?
One look and I breathe. One touch feels.
Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Victoria. I make content centered around helping women better achieve their personal goals. Lately, here on my channel, we've been discussing a lot about beauty and physical appearance. If you're interested in learning more about any of the tips that I have and have shared about personal style and reaching your personal goals, definitely head over to my YouTube channel, subscribe, and check out some of my previous videos. Today's video is done in collaboration with LUVME Hair. They sent me this gorgeous new wig to try. It's one of their latest wigs. And y'all, when I tell you, this is going to be a staple. It's going to be a staple. Now, I mentioned in one of my other videos that it's important to find your signature hairstyle. I also expressed in some of my past videos the importance of finding a hairstyle that's easy for you to maintain every day. That way, it's not an inconvenience for you to look put together on a consistent basis. I personally believe that wigs are a great way to look good on a consistent basis without having to put in a lot of effort. I personally wear wigs almost every day. I think they're easy, they're simple, they're great to just throw on and go, especially when you have a collection of good wigs. This wig is definitely going to be in my collection of everyday throw on and go wigs. This is the new 13 by 5 ready to go frontal wig from LUVME Hair. And here is everything that comes in the packaging. I absolutely love the branding for LUVME Hair. It's so cohesive. We of course have the wig, and we'll get into the details of that in a little bit. They've also included a user guide and info card, some wig tapes in case you decide to tape down the sides of the wig, some labels and a mesh bag for storage, some brown stocking caps, a custom edge brush, a custom bonnet, and a custom satin edge band. Now, this is a glueless wig. It is a glueless frontal wig. It comes in 3 different textures as of right now. This wig comes in 7 different lengths ranging from 14 inches all the way to 26. I do have the Yaki straight unit in 20 inches because I know somebody's gonna ask. This unit is 20 inches long and it's actually pretty long. It goes all the way to my waist. There is an option on the website to have this wig pre-cut, as you guys can see, and I'll show you all the unboxing of what it looks like when I first got it. This wig did come with pre-cut lace, and it also came parted on the left side. I did adjust the parting a little bit just to fit the shape of my face, but it did come pre-parted on the left-hand side in a C-shaped part. And the lace is ear to ear, guys, so you can part it anywhere within the front. I could part it down the middle if I wanted to. Let's see. It's actually quite easy to part as well. I don't think I have any clips showing y'all that I can part the wig anywhere else. I'll just straight up mess up my hair. Normally, I prefer a middle part, but I'm really liking the side part. It looks very natural. So this wig comes with HD lace. It also comes pre-plucked. And like I mentioned, there is an option on the website to have this wig pre-cut. Again, my wig came pre-cut. It also comes pre-bleached. The knots are bleached on this unit, so you do not have to worry about that. The only preparation I did for this wig was I sprayed some lace tint spray on the lace because even though it's HD lace, it is a little on the pale side. So I sprayed it with some lace tint spray to make it match my skin tone. So this is all of the hair to the front. This wig is actually pretty thick in my opinion. I really love the texture of this unit. It feels very natural. It feels like in between a silk press and a blowout. It's not as silky as a silk press, but it's also not as textured as a blowout, so it's like the perfect in between. Now, I did mention that this wig is glueless and it is still a frontal. So it does have ear-to-ear lace and you do not have to glue it at all because of the way that they did the cap construction. It fits very snug to the head. I'm going to show y'all, okay, that it is indeed glueless. I did not glue this wig down. As you guys can see, you see that comb up under there. It's not glued down. And over here as well, it's not glued down. Okay, now when it comes to styling this wig over on the side, I know that may be a bit difficult if you're not used to doing it. I opted to basically leave the ear tabs as they are, and because I naturally have very long sideburns, as you can see, I just left it like that because that on my face looks the most natural. It looks like my natural sideburns, so I just left it with that length. Now, if you do not have long sideburns and you want this wig to mimic more of your natural hairline, you can cut the hair over here on this side and do like a little bit of baby hair. I'm not a big fan of baby hair, but you could do that. That way it looks more like your natural hairline. But again, I have very long sideburns, so I left the sides long, the same length that it was when it came out of the box. So I didn't cut any of this hair. I'm probably not gonna cut any of this hair because like I said, I have long sideburns, so this to me looks natural. And even though it is glueless, you don't have to feel limited and only wearing it as is. You can always glue the wig or use some hairspray or gel or whatever to keep the sides down or the front down or, you know, whatever, do whatever feels comfortable for you. But honestly, you can wear this wig with no product. Now, I wouldn't say straight out of the box because if you do have some color in your skin, you are going to want to tint the lace or add some makeup to it or something to make sure that it matches your skin tone. But other than that, it is pretty much a ready to wear wig. It really is. And I'll insert a few clips to show y'all basically how I styled it. The only thing I really did was add some spray along the hairline. So because it had a lot of flyaways, you guys. So I did add some spray to the hairline to get rid of those flyaways. And also I defined the part, changed it up over here a little bit on the side. I also ran my flat iron through the hair a little bit because when it got to me, it had some waves in it. Not that it's a wavy texture, but I think from shipping, it kind of, you know how hair does. It molds to the position that it's in. So it had a few waves in it and I just straightened it so it would be all straight and get rid of those waves because I did not want that. But yeah, I do love this wig. I love this wig a lot. And I'm really glad that I chose the Yaki texture because this Yaki texture looks so natural on me. I have to admit, you guys, anything like silky or just like bone straight, yes, it looks good, but it doesn't look natural on me. And I really prefer something with a bit more thickness and texture to it. So if you've been on the market for a great like everyday wig that doesn't require a lot of maintenance, I hate to say it, but I think they have perfected it. They have perfected the glueless wear and go wig. It's got all the lace you need. It comes pre-cut. It comes pre-bleached, pre-parted, pre-plucked, pre-everything. It's literally got all the bells and whistles. All you gotta do is pick your length and texture, babe. That's it. Oh, and don't forget, add a little bit of makeup, okay? Add a little bit of makeup. But other than that, that's it. And once you add the makeup, you don't have to do it every day. You're set. Your hair is done every day. Take it off at night, pop it on in the morning, and you're good to go. If you can't decide what texture and what length to get, I do have a video over on my YouTube channel on how to find your signature hairstyle, how to figure out what hairstyles are going to work best with you according to your skin tone and your face shape. So if you would like some assistance with that, I highly suggest you go over to my YouTube channel and check out that video. And once you've gotten that done and out of the way and you've decided on what length and what texture, the link to this wig will be down in the description box below, because you guys, if I were you, I would go ahead and add it to the cart, okay? Because this is the kind of wig that's gonna be on back order. This is the kind of wig that the girls are gonna eat up. They're gonna run it up. Okay, they're gonna run it up. So I would highly suggest, if you are interested in this wig, go ahead and add it to the cart. Don't wait, because you might be waiting for a long time if you miss out. And y'all know I love me some LUVME Hair. So I do, of course, have a coupon code for you guys. You can use it at the checkout to save some money off of your orders. You can use my coupon code to purchase this wig or any other wig on the LUVME Hair website. And if you want to check out the other styles that this wig comes in, I'll leave all of the information for LUVME Hair and this wig specifically down in the description box below. But that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Share it to whoever you think would really enjoy it as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next video.